Hello there, small business owners. Natasha here. I want to hopefully incite some thought. I want to make sure that I remind you, if you haven't been reminded already, that you are the CEO of your own business and you are the CEO of your own economy. And no, you can't outsource that job. Let's talk about why managing your own finances is the ultimate power move. So imagine you're a chef. Why would you let someone else taste your food for you? Right? Doesn't make any sense. So why would you let others be the sole interpreters of your financial flavor, if you will, of your business? Understanding your numbers is not something that you should always completely shift off to someone else. Knowing your numbers is like knowing your ingredients. It's not just about the bottom line, it's about savoring every financial note in your business recipe. And here's the secret: when you step up as the director of your own economy, you'll feel a nudge towards learning something specific or towards better management in something specific or tracking something a little bit better than you have before. And that takes you tasting it, essentially. Others can taste it for you and tell you things and give you ideas of what it might be like, but they won't give you your own. So it's not about becoming an accountant. It's not about having to study it all and know it all overnight. It's about understanding enough to ask the right questions, to know when something tastes off. And this knowledge, it's your superpower in your business and in creating what you want your economy for your life to be. And this also helps you to find the right type of professional help. Okay. Doing it yourself the first time, maybe you don't get it right. That's completely okay and completely understandable. Good professionals will come in and help you even when that's the case, but you shouldn't shift all of it to someone else. Does that make sense? I also wanted to make sure I mentioned this because there are a lot of people out in the market right now offering to do accounting for people. Beware of that siren song out there that's attached to the cookie cutter assembly line type of siren song that says, oh, we'll handle everything for you. That's old school capitalist marketing that's keeping you dependent on someone else. Cheap, fast accounting often means low quality books and irrelevant advice. Remember, if you're paying monthly for numbers you can't use, that's not leverage. Okay, that's a leash. All right. Capitalism is dying as it has been, and there are still some flailing members trying to leverage pieces of it. So I wanted you all to be empowered and remember what it really takes to run your business. Here's a challenge for you. Pick one aspect of your finances that you've been avoiding: revenue tracking, expense categorization. Dive into it and get a little messy. Feel uncomfortable. That discomfort, that's growth. And it's the first step to you truly being financially independent. Let's break this loop and this idea of this dying business model, because that leverage and all the things that are happening with what looks like cheap, fast accounting, it's going to die out. The world is changing, the world is shifting, and the way you look at how you control and understand your numbers in your business should shift along with it. This will keep you truly in the driver's seat of your own economy.